Welcome to the Upstate Talks podcast, where we talk about things of interest to you. I'm your host, Bill Montgomery, and today we have a space weather update. Welcome to the Upstate Talks podcast. Well, we're going to talk about space weather today. There's a comet that's entering into our galaxy, and it's comet C2023A3. This comet should be visible sometime between September and October. The target date they're shooting for is October the 8th. They're telling us it will be as bright as Venus, so that means it will be visible with the naked eye. You'll see an ecliptic chart here showing the rotation of the comet as it comes into the solar system. And it rotates around the sun. It will come in between Venus and Mercury as it exits out. So this should be quite a show if it does what they say it's going to do. Here's a chart that shows the sunspot numbers. The last sunspot group that came through that produced all the auroras was 3691, and it popped off, and X 2.9 was the last solar flare that it popped off. This same sunspot group is now rotating back around. It has not been assigned a new number yet. That's coming soon. But here you can see it on the left hemisphere of the sun as it's coming into view. And here are some of the sunspot group numbers that they've designated already. And once they have the group number for the sunspot group that came around previously, then we'll be able to see that. So right now you're looking at an X flare that took place from the sunspot group that is rotating back into place. And just yesterday morning at 8 o'clock, it popped off an X 3.1 flare. So this group is still active. You can see the CME it pushed out. It's been a day since this happened. They're now saying that this is more like an X10 flare instead of an X 3.1. So we could have another scenario where we're seeing a lot of X-class flares and M-class flares coming from the exact same sunspot group that we saw on May the 10th. So we're going to keep our eyes open and keep you informed. Cross your fingers. We might be able to see some auroras again. All right, we hope you had a great day today, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey! Thank you for joining the Upstate Talks podcast today. We hope this space weather update has been very informative to you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. And always remember, the Upstate is the place to be.